How to create a group chat on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now, in order to create a group chat on Instagram, first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device. As you launch the Instagram application, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, tap on the DM section at the top right corner of the screen. Here, what you can simply do is tap on the people or the search bar and then tap on the option of people over here. So when you tap on the people, it will generally show the individual chats. So what you can do is tap on this pencil icon at the top of the screen. Here you can just tap on create group chat. So select the people you would want to add in a group and then tap on create group chat. You can also create a group name over here by tapping on name this group. So let's name this and then simply now you can go back and then tap on the check mark, and there you go. You have created a group chat on Instagram. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.